So I'm back, and it turns out that what I wanted was itertools product. So I think if I do that, that will give me what I want. I have to say product and then repeat equals num x's. Let's try that. Escape out of here. Okay, so I got 26, 27, 58, and 59. I think that's what we want over here. 27, 26, 58, and 59. Okay, so let me I've got a bunch of prints in here, so I got to get rid of my prints. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so now we're getting the right numbers, so let's figure out how to glue this all together and wrap this up here. Okay, so these are the memory locations. We're going to overwrite all those memory locations with that. So I'm going to make this part 2 runner here. So part 2, we've got our memory locations. Then we're going to say for group in group, we've got our mask and then our val. And then we're going to say, and we've got our vowels instead. We're going to say for loc in, and we're going to get our apply mask 2. And that we're going to pass in our mask, and what else are we going to pass into that? We've got vowels, or vowels. Sorry, I need to look at what it looks like again. Okay, we got a memory location, loc here, and then we've got our value. So what we want to do, our mask here, so we've got for loc amount here. What we want to do is we want to get the memory locations. Mem loc is equal to apply mask part 2. We're going to take our mask and we're going to apply it to our memory location, which is loc. And this is going to generate this. So I'm going to say for memloc in this. Do that, and then mem of the memloc is equal to the val, the amount. I think that's it. Let's see. These things get quite convoluted. Oops, no, don't want to do that. I'm going to run Python day 14. And let's print this, part 2. Okay. Call this fun. Fun with your bit twiddling. Yay, that's the right answer. Okay, So let's do a review of part 2 here. I mean, part 2 was kind of grokking the problem and then teasing it apart. We just had some different logic here. I'm not completely satisfied with this, so I'm using zfill here to make sure I have 36 characters here and capturing the X positions of that. I'm applying my one mask here, and then I'm doing some stuff that this part right here, I'm converting my list, my value from that back into a list, and then I'm the positions that are X positions, I'm filling those in with X. Then I'm putting that back into a string, making a mask, counting the number of X's in that, iterating over the cross product of all of the combinations of zeros and ones for each X, replacing those values in there and yielding the value of that mask converted to a string at that point, or converted to a number at that point. And then we've got this runner that's just changing the logic there, which, yeah, it's a little convoluted, but it's doing the job. So awesome. I'll upload this source code to the course webpage along with the code as well.